Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. Let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Just find your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Then let's simply tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add picture, and here we've been transferred to specific sections from which we can choose the picture from. So the device photos, where we've got the gallery with our own files, and the camera option. After tapping on it, your device will of course open the camera app, so you can catch a photo of the person immediately. You can tap on Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery with the backed up data, and illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are online, so you can find something which is pretty or interesting and apply this picture or graphic as a contact photo. I'll choose something from my own files. Let me enter the gallery. Let's find the photo. And now after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the section where we can frame it, so we can zoom it in or out. We can also change the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle right here is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. And as you can see here, we've got our photo assigned. So if you are happy with the results, tap on save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our photo. Of course, we will be able to see our photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.